Hi, I'm going to pick a new winner for the Knit Crate Yarn giveaway. The video that I'm picking the winner for is listed down below. It's the skein that's like a mix orange. Um, I have to pick a new winner because the other winner that I chose, it's been a few weeks now and they didn't claim the yarn. So the new winner is chosen now. All you need to do when you see your name is email me your information down below. You have like a week or so to do it. If you don't, I'll just have to keep choosing different winners until I find a winner. If anybody's interested in the Knit Crate yarn, it's $24.99 per month. You can get 20% off if you sign up under me. The promo code is Jewel20. That information for the link is listed down below in the description. You get the 2 skeins of yarn and a booklet usually every month. Well, every month you do, but depends on which package you want. So let's see who the winner is. Dawn Anderson, congratulations. Also, please contact me. My email is listed down below, and give me your address, and I'll send this out as soon as possible. She said, I have joined Facebook page, such pretty yarn. Thank you for all you do. Well, thank you, Dawn, for saying that. I have fun doing my crochet channel. I do it on the side for fun. Thank you, everybody, for subscribing. Please subscribe if you haven't already.